Meaning of distemper.
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 Distemper. The term distemper can refer to a few different things depending on the context. It may refer to a viral disease that affects animals such as dogs and cats, causing fever and respiratory or gastrointestinal symptoms. In painting, it can also refer to a type of paint made with pigment, water, and glue, which is used as a base coat for wall decoration. Additionally, in a broader sense, distemper can be used to describe a state of disorder or unrest, especially among a group of people or society as a whole.